Sealants were introduced into the commercial market around 70 years ago, with silicones arriving in the 1950s. Another 10 years and we see the introduction of acrylics and polyurethanes in the 60s. The market was then quiet for another 20 years until the introduction of MS polymers in the late 70s, early 80s. CTEC were able to enhance this technology, introducing hybrid polymers into the market early in the new millennium. For 2 decades, the technology remained the same. Until now. CTEC has again brought to the marketplace a new and unique formulation, TRIBRID Technology. Customers have made ever-increasing demands of polymeric adhesives, expecting better performance and much greater load strength. But the old hybrids can't provide this and struggle at certain loads. The TRIBRID has been developed to deliver on these demands with an incredible enhanced core structure based on a unique formulation, 3 times more powerful than the old hybrid. Considerable scientific engineering has been employed in remodeling the old hybrid core into that for the new TRIBRID, achieving unprecedented results. This unique core structure of the TRIBRID will completely outperform the old hybrid formulation in every aspect. For example, the ability to resist the elements and extreme weather fluctuations. The TRIBRID is up to 360% stronger with increased adhesion on numerous materials and is capable of performing under extreme pressure without cracking. Also, the transparent TRIBRID will outperform the hybrid in strength and retention of translucency. This incredible TRIBRID has been developed to eradicate the huge problem of mold and fungal growth in bathrooms with a 100% solution, creating an impenetrable barrier. It will also repel harmful bacteria such as MRSA and E. coli, hence the introduction of BT1. CT1, often copied, will never be equaled. TRIBRID, the future is here.